Let's make some lovely leafy resin earrings. This is part 2 of my series on Beginner's Guide to Resin Leaves. Part 1 is about tips and tricks of leaf pouring. Link is in the description below. My color palette is made up of green, yellow-green, light green, white, yellow and blue. My pigments are mixed and ready to pour. These leaves have cured well and are ready to be demolded. This exposed surface has domed slightly and has a nice glossy finish. Let's start with the smallest. This is not as easy as demolding a cuboidal profile. It has finally come out and it is looking lovely, and the back is even more beautiful. The play of colors is just like what you would find in monstera plants. I'm going to use this shiny surface at the front and the matte surface at the back. Let us take out these larger ones. The blue is really making all the other colors pop. And there's a bubble right here in the center. Well, after all, every leaf in nature is unique and perfect in its imperfections. So, I love it anyway. There is a bit of something stuck here. When did that happen? Did I break it? Oh, I thought I was being so careful. This edge needs a little attention from my cutter. And voila, we are perfect and ready to be assembled into gorgeous earrings. Can't wait. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe and have a wonderful day.